Hey guys, here is another news or announcement from the PiDay team. It's regarding the Onramper. So basically, it's an aggregator of different Onramp services. So we can now buy Pi directly in our Pi wallet using these Onramps. And currently, there are three verified Onramps. So Transfi, Banxa, and Onramp.money. So if you are interested in buying, you can go directly to your Pi browser and then visit the Pi wallet. Let's click the Pi or the wallet, and then let's unlock our wallet with Touch ID or passphrase. Wait for it to load your wallet, and then here you can click the buy button and then click the Onramps, and let's wait for it. And now here, wait for it to finish fetching the prices, and here you can select which Onramp, Transfi, Onramp.money or Banxa. So currently Transfi is the only available. Good thing is these are now verified or listed on KYB-verified page, Pi networks, Onramp.money, Transfi, and then the Banxa.